This is Hampshire, one of the gems in the county collection, part of E.C.D's 2025 exclusive inventory lineup. Cloaked in a commanding eggshell Corris grey finish, it captures the county's unique harmony of historic tradition and modern innovation. This versatile hue reflects the quiet beauty of Hampshire's diverse landscapes. Beneath the hood, an LT1 engine with a 10-speed automatic transmission delivers relentless performance. A 6-point full external roll cage and classic front bumper with daytime running lights ensure it's ready for any journey. Inside, craftsmanship meets innovation. Shieldman seats provide ergonomic comfort. Autocross gauges and a Momo Prototypo steering wheel blend heritage with control. A state-of-the-art touchscreen stereo, Pioneer sound and Apple CarPlay keep you connected and comfortable, no matter where the road takes you. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. The Hampshire County Station Wagon, part of the county collection, only in E.C.D's 2025 exclusive inventory.